Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a powerful presentation that will make you stand out among others. If you are new here, I encourage you to please like and subscribe. Let's get started. First you go to Google and type Gamma. Select the first option, Gamma.app. This is the platform. You can register if you don't have an account. I already have, so I will sign in. Now, this is the home page. We can create new presentation, new from blank or import. Let's create new. There are options to paste in text, generate or import file or URL. We will generate from AI. We can create in several formats like presentation, website, document, or social. We will choose presentation. There are other options also available you can configure. Let's type in our description or idea here. Next, we click on Generate Outline and see the magic happening. It has automatically generated the outline for us. You can read and make necessary corrections as per your case. You can add another card or change themes, and several options are available, like amount of text on a card and type of images to generate from the image sources. Now click Generate to see the fun part. It's now preparing our presentation for us. It's done creating. We can now edit and presentation or make further modifications as we want. Example, we can change the theme. We can select from here to make presentation directly from the browser. We can also share our file with others, and we can also export in various formats such as PDF, Google Slides, PNG or PowerPoint. We will export to PowerPoint format. Now save the file. We can go back home from here if we need to create or edit the presentations. This is all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe, like and share.